Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 Wild Terrain. I want to give a huge shout out to Fed from One Stop Diecast for sending this case over super quick. Make sure to buy your premium cases from him. So let's crack this case open and see what's inside. Each case comes with 2 full sets, and the cars in the set are the 88 Mercedes Unimog U1300, the 85 Ford Bronco, the 67 Off-Road Camaro, the Land Rover Defender 110 Hardtop, and the Porsche 959 1986. And then you can see on the back of the card, it just shows the cars in the set and then Wild Terrain. So the first truck is the 88 Mercedes Unimog U1300. Also the card art is amazing too. You can see all the trees in the back, and the sky, and the rocks. So this truck is red, and then you can see the white in the front, Mercedes logo. Then says Backcountry Paramedic Patrol and Response. And the white rims. And they also made it in the Street Fighter set. You can see exact same thing. And overall, this truck is not the best, but it doesn't look bad with the paramedic colors. This was first made in a Pop Culture Street Fighter in 2018, and then again in a Pop Culture Star Wars set in 2019. Next up is the 85 Ford Bronco. So you can see this truck is black, then white right here, Highway Patrol, then some white on the top, and then 85. It says K9 unit on the back, and the tire. This is a collector's favorite and was first made in 2013. This is only the 4th time we have seen this casting made. So next up is a 67 Off-Road Camaro. This car is white, and you can see the red and blue stripes. Then it says Lucas, oil products. Then the huge tires. But I really like the detailing they did right here with all the stripes. Sadly though, the hood doesn't open. And they also made this in a Fast and Furious set. This was the first time they ever made it. This car looks really cool with the red, white, and blue stripes, and I hope to see this as a mainline one day. So the next truck is a Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop. So this truck is yellow with yellow rims. Then you can see it says Search and Rescue Land Rover Defender 110. Then the black top. Then they also made this in a Fast and Furious set, all black. And then also as a period correct version. This is another collector favorite and has only been made in premium versions. I'm sure we will see this in an ROC or convention car. So the last car is the Porsche 959 1986. So this car has white rims, then you can see it says 186, then Porsche. And I really like the color design they did on it, with the red, yellow, then blue on one half, and then the white on the top. Then 186 again. Porsche on the hood, then yellow on the wing. This car has so many colors. Then you can see the backlights. And this is a really nice car. This is based off the actual 959 Paris-Dakar rally car. The real rally cars finished 1st, 2nd, and 6th in the 1986 Paris-Dakar rally. 2 years ago, one of them sold for $6 million at auction. So my favorite car from this set is definitely the Porsche. I really like all the colors that they put on this Porsche. And it's cool to see it in an all-terrain set. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2020 Hot Wheels Wild Terrain mix.